Hey Matt, it's Ron here at Birdness. Gonna do a quick video for you, show you around. Okay. Tires on this thing appear to be almost new. Okay. Obviously keyless entry right here. Okay. I think you're probably more worried about the inside. I'll take a quick peek. Closed sound system. Okay. Black leather interior. Heated steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, park assist, traction control. Okay, just to name a few. Obviously Bluetooth. Okay, dual zone climate. Okay. Screen right here. Push this button, this goes up. Your radio screen, there's charging. Lock your cell phone in there if you're parked. Okay. Sunroof. Okay. Rear entertainment center for kids. Excuse me. It does have the captain's chairs, buckets in the back. Okay. This has heated second row seating as well as temperature control. Okay. Kind of just pan around to the third row here. Walk out back. Nice clean vehicle. Okay. And there is a little bit of road rash on the rims, which is normal. Kissing curbs. Okay. Back you do have the power fold. Okay. Power fold seats for second and third row. All right. I hope this helps. Give me a call when you plan on heading this direction. I'll give you my cell phone, 608-931-3324. Again, Ron, 608-931-3324. Thanks, Matt.